So as you guys know, recently we just hit 100,000 subscribers, and I promised you a little bit of a special video. So I'm not gonna do any more talking. How about we put action to words and do a little bit of Australia here in Japan at Yoshio Factory. We smoked out Yoshio Factory to the point where we don't want the fire brigade to rock up and completely close the workshop down. But thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. I think this is only fitting. We'll see if we can write 100 in this. There we go. Thank you for 100,000 guys. Here's to the next one. Well, that was my fun for today. I didn't film anything else while we were kind of packing everything up and whatnot, because priority is to pretty much get home ASAP and start editing, because tomorrow we got an early morning. We're going drifting tomorrow at Nasu Pallet, I think it's Pallet. We're going drifting day again tomorrow. And what I really wanted to do with this video was kind of also reflect on some of my, I feel the biggest moments of the last 100,000 subscribers. So roll the clip. Oh, wifey found it. Oh, I can see the rear of it. That nice wang. Oh my God, it's better than I thought it was. I'm so happy. So, this is our new car. Another Okajuku, and we're at Nikko Circuit. This is my favorite track here in Japan. I also have a visitor with me. You might know him. I think he's a big deal. I'm not sure though. Anyways, we're at Nikko Circuit. We're gonna do some tandems today, practice. I'm really excited to learn some technique from Adam. Straight with my left hand just then. The fucking Gretty boost gauge flew out. It's not the... Man. Dude, wait, you're on the wrong side!
doing, mate?
I don't know, man.
Come on, hey.
Oh, man. I just went for the shifter just then, too.
You're a mess right now, huh?
Hang on, how do I know if this is in first?
Oh my God.
Oh, wrong side.
Yeah.
First is a bit weird.
Oh no!
Oh yeah. Look at it! Look at it! What's happening? Yes! Guys, we're finally... I don't even know what to say. The nitrous kit is here. I've made you wait long enough. Here's my new S15. From behind me, there are skylines as far as the eye can see. There's not only skylines here and all the different types of GTRs of every model and kind, but there are Type R Civics, Evos, Subarus, like anything that's rare in Japan that you want, they have. So I hope you guys enjoyed some of those clips there. I didn't really throw them in there at any particular order or anything, but I just wanted to grab some of my favorite clips after going through hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of vlogs that I've done over the last few years now. It's absolutely insane. Like for instance, right now I'm at vlog 477, and that's vlogs only. That doesn't include like any other videos that I've uploaded or anything like that that don't fit in that category. It's insane. I know my channel has over 500 videos on there now, more. It's close to got a total of 11 million views. It's just so mind-blowing. It's crazy, and at the end of the day, I would not be here if it wasn't for you guys. So I just want to make sure that all of you know that I know that I'm here because of you. YouTube has literally been the best thing that's ever happened to me. It's weird because it felt like, you know, my life, right, and everything I've done work-wise, it was like a filler to what I'm doing now. It was like, you know, I kind of enjoyed what I was doing, but I don't think it was ever what I wanted to be doing, like, and actually like really enjoyed every single day. And when I started doing YouTube and stuff, and when it kind of, you know, due to an interesting situation, I was able to start doing YouTube full time and give it a raw hot, you know, crack at it and give it a good go and see if I could make it a career. I don't think I could ever do anything else now. It is so rewarding, so enjoyable. The challenges that I face, it's amazing. And once again, guys, I do want to just say again, thank you so much for every single one of you that smashes the like button, that writes a comment, and that subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely insane. So this video is probably a little bit shorter than my previous ones and stuff like that, and I guess that's just mainly because of, you know, the context of the video. I just wanted to do this special kind of burnout video, and it's very rare to be able to do this kind of thing in Japan, and Oka-chan's kind of putting himself a little bit on the line, a tiny bit, but he says that there's nothing saying that he can't do a burnout in there, and because it's industrial estate and stuff like that, noise complaints won't be a thing, and all the businesses are closed on Sunday. So it was like perfect, and I hope you guys kind of understand why it didn't come out sooner, because we can only do it on Sundays, because that's when no one else, like no other companies in the industrial estate, are open. In fact, there used to be a little rogue video of someone, I
who, you know, a particular staff member was literally just shredding up the entire industrial estate in their track S15. Anyways, not to put anyone in, get anyone in trouble there, I'm struggling to speak right now because it is 2:30. I have to get up tomorrow, and not super early, but early enough where I want a good 7-8 hours of sleep tonight. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you all for the next 100K and the more and more and more to come. Drifting tomorrow, it's gonna be rad. Peace out. Jamata.